If you're working in PowerPoint and want to hide or show your speaker notes, this quick video will show you exactly how to do it. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure you're in normal view. To show notes, look at the bottom of the PowerPoint window and click Notes, or simply drag the Notes pane upward from the bottom of the slide. Your speaker notes will now appear under the slide. To hide notes, drag the Notes pane back down or click Notes again at the bottom to close it. If you're presenting and want to see notes without the audience seeing them, click Slideshow at the top, then right-click on the slide and select Presenter View. Your notes will appear on your screen while the audience only sees the slides. That's how to hide or show notes in PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.